remind you that you're still on the oath.
Mr. Sanyang, you were summoned to produce and give the file relating to the Kairaba Beach Hotel Limited lease and to give evidence as to everything you know regarding that lease. Do you have the file?
Yes.
Could you tell us to whom was that property originally leased?
The property was leased to
comprised, yes.
Kairaba Beach Hotel Limited.
Okay. Can you give us the dates of the lease, please? And the serial registration number.
The serial registration number is K141.
K141
/89.
The date?
25th day of April.
Can you repeat, please?
26th April 1989.
Do you have an original copy of the lease in your file?
No, I have a photocopy.
What happened to your usual file copy?
As far as I found the file, I found only the photocopy in the file.
Okay. And the parties, this Kombo Beach, you said Kairaba Beach Hotel Limited. Was there any transaction on that lease?
Can I rectify a portion here, please? Say, can I rectify a portion? The original lease is Gambor Limited.
Gambor.
Gambor Limited. Gambor Limited. Care of National Investment Board.
And you have that lease there?
That's the photocopy of a lease here.
That you have?
Yes.
All right. So can you tell us, at least give us the history of the property? After Gambor Limited.
After Gambor Limited, the transaction that shows a change of ownership, there was an assignment, permission to assign, dated 27 May 2002.
Permission to assign from Gambor Limited?
Yeah, the assignment is from, Side Gambia Investment. So the transaction between the two is not in the file here.
Was there ever any lease in the name of Kairaba Beach Hotel Limited?
Yes, Side Gambia Investment Limited, in bracket, Kairaba Beach Hotel.
What is the date of that lease? Or assignment? Did you say assignment?
Yes, that's an assignment.
Is it a consent to assign or an assignment?
Consent to assign.
All right, give us the details.
The date you mean?
The details of the consent to assign. What is the date?
The date is 27th May 2002. So the permission to assign a portion of lease SR number KF141 1989 at Kersereng. In response to your application dated 5th February 2002, I wish to convey to you Side Gambia Investment Limited, in bracket Kairaba Beach Hotel, the Honorable Secretary of State permission to assign a portion of a leasehold property noted above at Senegambia Beach Hotel of Kersereng by way of gift.
By way of gift?
Gift stroke sale, but they have not specified which one is.
To who?
Please notify me. That one also is not stated. The measurement is stated that 51 meters by 108 meters by 37 meters by 104 meters. Please, is from Department of Lands and Surveys to Peter Smith. But that's the only address on top. It doesn't state in the assignment to whom it is going to, but I assume it has to be to Peter Smith. It's addressed to Mr. Peter Smith, Senegambia Investment Limited. Side Gambia Investment Limited.
Side Gambia Investment.
Yes.
But the person, the assignee is not indicated.
The content of the assignment doesn't show the assignee.
All right, anyway, tell us, the file is as is, I presume. Tell us what is in the file. Anyway.
Apart from that, there were some mortgages. I don't know whether that interests you. Some mortgages that were done on the property.
Okay, go ahead, yes. Mortgage by?
Yeah, on the mortgage by Kairaba Beach Hotel. To Standard Chartered Bank.
What date is that?
This is dated 13th November 2002.
Signed by?
The name is not there, but I don't recognize the signature.
Sorry?
The name is not there, but I don't recognize the signature.
You don't recognize the signature?
The signature, yes. The applicant.
It's an application for permission to mortgage?
To mortgage, yes.
And the application is from Side Gambia to?
Yes, from Kairaba Beach Hotel to Standard Chartered Bank.
The lease number is K141-1989?
Yes, ma'am.
Was permission granted?
Yes.
Okay.
There's permission to mortgage on the 13th November 2002.
Okay.
Said in response to your application dated 13th November 2002, I wish to convey to you Baba Job, Kairaba Beach Hotel, the permission of the Honorable Secretary of State of Local Government and Lands, the mortgage, to mortgage the leasehold property noted above to Standard Chartered Bank, number 8 Echoes Avenue, Banjul.
So the applicant was Baba Job?
Yeah, the lease was, it was conveyed to Baba Job.
Okay. What is the next transaction?
In 2004, 13th May 2004, there was another application for assignment, the consent to assign, from Kairaba Beach Hotel to Muhammad Abdul Sidi Al-Qaddafi and Sons. And this permission was granted on the 13th May 2004.
Okay.
It said lease SR number K. I don't know whether it's the typing error. They just type 41. I assume it starts with K141, but they type K41 stroke 1989 at Ketsiring. In response to your application dated 13 May 2004, I wish to convey to you Kairaba Beach Hotel, the Honorable Secretary of State permission to assign the leasehold property noted above to Mohammed Abdul Musid Al-Karafi of Kuwait.
Okay.
But the assignment is not signed.
You
the
have
one
a
I
copy?
have here is not signed. Yes. It indicated Director of Lands and Surveys, but it was not signed.
Okay. What other transactions do you have apart from that?
And there was an addendum to the lease agreement serial number. That serial number is not stated here. It said this addendum is made to this 14th day of May 2004 between the Secretary of State Act 1991, hereinafter called the Secretary, on behalf of the Government of Republic, for the time being responsible for the administration of land, state land, hereinafter called the leasehold of the one part under Mohammed Abdul Musin Al-Karafi and Sons, a private company incorporated in the Gambia, in accordance with the Company Act 1955, Cap 95.
Okay, all right. But what's the purpose of the addendum? Can you go to the main clause of the addendum?
Yeah. They said the lease agreement signed with the Department of State for Local Government and Lands on the 14th May 2004, lease plan CK 1286 is delivered to Mohammed Abdul Musil Al-Karafi and Sons accordingly. So there are conditions that they put. The lease and the leaseor have entered into a lease agreement, serial number SRK 162/2004, hereafter referred to as the lease or the lease agreement.
Do you have that lease?
There is a lease here
Yes.
of that date, but it's not numbered.